How to fix Downloads folder not responding on Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix the Windows folder not responding on your Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with your search, which is here on the bottom left. And under search, you need to search for CMD and go with Run as Administrator, which is on the right side. Click on Yes, and here you need to enter a command. So the command goes like dism.exe space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health, and hit the enter. And after that, it will start scanning your laptop or your computer. Once the scan is completed, you can simply remove your CMD and your problem might be fixed. And after that, you can simply remove it and you need to restart your laptop or your computer and your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then again search for CMD, go with Run as Administrator, click on Yes and go with the next command, which is sfc space / scan now, and then hit the enter and it will again scan your computer. And after that, again remove that and then restart your computer, and after that your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Downloads folder not responding on your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.